Oh, there's a fight. Damn! Oh, shit! Yes, Flying, bro. What is up, guys? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we're at the flipping lot. And I can tell you one thing, it's gonna be a crazy flipping day today. Bro, they're coming in hot right now. Bro, the Banshee was like sideways, dude. Let's go. Yes, sir. Chilling on that KTM 450. Or it's a 500, I don't even know. Oh, he's going off-road. You don't want no... Bro, you just stalled, bro. You don't want no smoke. No hander to almost freaking looping that. I went so far back. I'm gonna smoke you either way. I go first. Woo! We had him on the start, baby. Hey, that was a little close. I had you on the start. Let's go grass. Bro, no you didn't. No you didn't. You want the start now? You get the start. I'll get it. Oh, he whooped me. I'll give you that one. Huh? That bit was close. That's what we talking about. Homie went straight mudding, dude. Look at his boots. There's freaking mud flying off his bike. Yes, sir. That's what we talking about. Oh my God, bro. Homie. Oh, there's a fight? Damn! Oh! He just spit on it! Oh, shit! Oh! Let's go! He stalled it, bro. I knew I was gonna get a little rowdy with these Banshees, bro. Yes, sir! The Banshee going through the woods is so dope. Let's go! Oh, I can't see. I can't see nothing, bro. I'm just going through a cloud of smoke. Bro, it's so hard. This is probably the worst decision I made, is following 5 quads, bro. They blow up so much sand, it's ridiculous. Like, and it's so sandy today. all the kids out here chilling on their mini bikes. We got homie. Yes, sir! Chilling in that freaking stand-up. Oh! What's up? You trying to race? You got the helmet on. I see you're ready now. You were gonna give me a head start? Bro, come on. It's all about the rider. Let's go, let's go. I got nailed, bro. Hey, no, when you went through that rock section, bro, it just blew rocks into my face. Yeah, it's crazy. That was crazy, bro. Literally all the rocks were coming into my face.
Celebrity. He called you a celebrity.
Me? I ain't no celebrity.
Bro, we watch you all the way in the Bahamas, bro.
For real?
Yeah, bro.
What?
You coming over to a bike show.
Let's go. What's your name?
Biggs. They call me Biggs.
Biggs, Lars. What is it? Shining monkey out here, baby. Oh! Oh! You're close. I was so high in the gear. Let's go. Holy crap, bro. We're ripping. Alrighty, gang. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember, I'm trying to do an outro. We got merch in the description down below. Don't forget to check that out. I freaking love you. We're posting bangers. We're posting every other day. Stay motivated. Love you, gang. Peace.